Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine and threads precisely. First, turn power off and lift the presser foot so tension discs open. This ensures smooth threading. Place spools in the stated positions, upper looper, lower looper, then needles. Follow the machine's color-coded guides. Next, pull thread tails and cut clean 45-degree tips so threads feed without snagging. Once done, set needles to their neutral position and leave about 4-6 inches of tail to ease the first pass. Now you thread in the only effective order: upper looper first, then lower looper, then the right needle, and finally the left needle. Guide each thread through the numbered path. Spool, pin, guide, tension disc with presser foot up, then through the looper eyes or needle eye. Use a pair of fine tweezers for the lower looper's tight eye. This avoids frustration and missed threads. Once all threads are seated, pull them into the throat plate area, keeping them untwisted and clearly separated to prevent skipped stitches. To finish, trim thread tails to about 4-6 inches, lower the presser foot, and gently hand-turn the handwheel 2 full revolutions to seat threads in the loopers and needles. Then run a test seam on scrap fabric at low speed. Observe the stitch balance and edge trimming. If stitches look loopy or uneven, make small tension changes, 1/4 turn at a time, and recheck. If problems persist, rethread the lower looper completely and clean lint. This single troubleshooting step fixes most overlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.